Today, we're going to have a look at some demons. Right then, we're going to have a look at the demons of Senesh. Now, this set has been around for a while, but I had to get my hands on it. Love how these miniatures look. So, what we'll do is we'll get in, have a look at the sprues and all that sort of stuff. Now, from what I can tell, how they play is they're fast, they're strong, but they die quick. And I quite like that as a game style, you know? I mean, these things are absolutely beautiful. So we've got a few pieces here for the Exalted Chariot. See if I can get a little bit of a close-up on these. All of these extremely detailed pieces, you know? Got some of the demonette bodies. Some for the Seekers. As you can see some immaculate detail on these. You know, really, really nice miniatures. So, as you see, quite a few sprues. Get them all out of the way. Standard bases. Not too sure on the actual size of these. I think possibly 25, something like that, something below. Not sure, I haven't paid attention to the sizes. Some over bases for the Seekers. And a go massive base for the Exalted Chariot. At the bottom, what we got is the instructions on how to build it. So, really simple. You got quite a few choice options on some of the pieces, which is quite nice to see. But yeah, as you can see, it seems, you know, the way they've set it out, relatively easy to build. Going on to the Exalted here, as you can see, a lot of the, I'm going to put them like spiked circles. Keeps going. And then we've got the rules. You know, another good old piece for an ability to be used in Age of Sigmar. Goes on to how they use them. Obviously their attacks, the bravery, stuff like that. Real nice ability they have here is on a battle shock. If you roll a 1, that includes an icon barrier. Bring back demonettes. That's a real nice ability because these things die quick. So getting that in there, you got that constant reboot. Seekers doing the same, which is real nice to see. Then we've got the rules for the Chariot. Again, Chariot, real nice. Then we go on to the 40k rules. Some pictures of how you know what you should make it look like, but obviously personal preference. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off, get them built up. I'll give you all a closer look. So, there you go. All built up. Took long enough. But yeah, start off with the demonettes. These, I've got to admit, I really like. Poses, you can make them as static as you want. I wanted more of like a flowy kind of feminine thing to them. Yeah, they're all pretty much like that. In the on the sprues, you have a choice of several different heads for each of the demonettes, you know, the Seekers and the Chariot. I all went for the younger looking ones, more like they're demonettes in training kind of thing, like a younger group of them. But yeah, all the demonettes, quite nice. This one in particular, very nice. What I'm planning with these is to do it'll be kind of standard to what Games Workshop have done there, is that? But I'm going to do it a bit brighter on the hair and stuff. I've had a little bit of touches of my own. So with this, I've added a little sigil on it. Make it a little bit more 3D and all that. Which was just basically cutting up one of the other icon bearer staffs for the demonettes. It's quite nice. Yeah, there's one of the Seekers. And then we get on to the big beast. The Exalted Chariot. Now this thing is frigging gorgeous. Very, very nice model. And pain in the arse to build, to be fair. All the little spikes on the back, obviously all of them individual, all the way down. Took ages. The one thing I would have said, I would have probably have done a sub-assembly on it. But in all fairness, I kind of got carried away. Just kept going and going and going. So there you have it. There's the Senesh. Well, the demons of Slaanesh. If you like this video, please leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Then any videos that I do in the future, possibly on these, could be on a range of things. You'll see about them first. Okay? If you've got any questions, please comment below. And until next time, I'll see you.